welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Irie. Today I'm going to do a follow on the New York shooting of Blingers from the cover. It has begun. The retaliation. The war is on. I'm telling you, say, a culture. Somebody have to dead back. Nah, take no talk. Can't go so. Who you think you are this? It doesn't matter if I Irie man. Doesn't matter if it's New York, Chicago, Baltimore. Don't matter if it's Port of Spain in Trinidad. Culture. This was predictable. Before we go into that, Sunday I go for a special operation. I have a video where long time in the making. Special operation because it takes up so much of my time. On top of keeping notice, right? Not just this week, but lately, sometimes you see a video drop, much later than normal. Right? Literally, right? I lose sleep, I put together content, right? But it will go worth it. This Sunday, I have a video of somebody who, well, even by the local YouTuber standards, right, this takes some effort to get. You don't want to miss it. When we get back to New York, you would have seen the Blingers video. Blingers, as me say, left Irie man, drop off Florida, reach a New York, right, start rolling some youth. I mean, you don't get ready when time man they say, oh, just because of this, just because of that, right? All of them link, right, don't know, acidity, things get out of hand, right, people fall out, man dead. Right. That basic summary right there, so, all they can do is just insert the name them and the storyline them, but that's the general gist of all them conflict there. It's not like say, man went to his work, his day job, and he was working and then he accidentally, no, right. So Blingers, man him kill him on camera, showing the video. The video, right, when me show you, there was two youth, right, like one sweater, one hoodie. Because the video is so graphic, me can't really show it. Right? I wish I could have showed the video in full. Right? But basically, the first youth, like the big body youth, right, him fire off a Blingers first. But him bridging hoodie walk off moments earlier. Him did already run the corner. Right? Him fire off a Blingers. Well, that youth, him dead now. Right. I'm going to show you a little clip of when time that youth pull up, right, at the club, and you're going to see when him, right, and Biggs who fire, right, the first shot them pan Blingers, you're going to see the two of them, right, so I'm going to put a little arrow, your son understand what I'm going. That youth and a female and them shot out the whole I mean. The picture is very graphic. Lie down on the ground, pieces of skull, brain, side of him. The woman dead right side of him, or the female dead side of him. The way she lie down, I don't even know. She don't even look like she dead. Look like asleep, she asleep. It has begun. It was inevitable. So now, people are brace feet. Because this, I got spark back, a killing. And this is playing out in our Uncle Sam place. Oh, what you think? You think that mean nothing? You think because the quote unquote foreign, they mean nothing? Worse than Yankee boy, them wild like a zebra. Right. And the hard man them, right. Them in fire shot too and them in kill too. But here what me know. When push come to shove, when things get real ugly. Because I've seen them type of yardy man Yankee warrior, when things get real ugly, the yard man them start, some of the man them start say, yo dog, I said, I don't papers, no dog. Yo dog, I don't really want dog, so that's what give the Yankee them the advantage, because them they on home turf. Right, so worst come to worst, them not gonna away. But certain yard man, especially man way, I take with themselves from certain things I yard. If them feel like say the war and make them, get too deep in it, then they will go back off. But then, as me say, I can't go where I talk about. There's always somebody there willing to do something. This whole heap of back and forth. You know how it could have been stopped? Let me give the New York experts them some advice that I learned from Irie man activists. You know how this could have been stopped? A social intervention program. That would have stopped Blingers from dead. It would have stopped the sheep from dead. That's what New York need to do. Social intervention. See, I mean, that don't make sense, but who cares about making sense? It's never about making sense with Irie man experts. It's about sounding good. What nice and that nice. So, New York people, New York government, man, the state board, whatever you want to call themselves, just drop a social intervention program. Put the money on it and there'll be peace. Cause it work. I say. Blingers friend them, who watch Blingers get killed on camera. Right. Then they go say, well, we were going to retaliate, you know, but then this program stopped me. Irie. And then the Yankee them, I go say, well, my brethren know the whole of female lick out on the ground. Skull and marrow and everything right alongside him. Would I go retaliate for him, but this program stopped me. So, let's drop a social intervention program. New York people, they must say, man afraid to go to the club, man afraid to go to the restaurant. And by the way, remember, Blingers dead in New York. New York I get it. Remember, New York is one of the strictest states when it comes on the gun for law-abiding people. The gunman them in New York, they're the business about no law. Right. The 87 them in New York, and the business about no restrictions. Right. Them are feeling gun. Even the youth, we tell us dead back for Blingers. You know the picture, look like it's one gun. Right side and foot or something like that. New York boy them, them strap up like a Wolf Creek. But the regular citizen them, we're gonna go duck gunshot if the wire get hot. And call the boys in blue, NYPD. How fast they can reach? I wonder how fast police reach in New York. They can reach under 30 seconds, under 10. We will see. All me I tell you, Irie people who just go New York, go foreign, work and make a living, provide for the family. Avoid them people. Avoid their acidity. Cause you know what we know. That's the thing, we don't go like we don't know what we want. We don't know what we are involved with. And sometimes we don't know rub shoulders with people and say, no man, well, me don't involved in nothing. You think it's a gunman business? You think for them Yankee boy there, let me tell you something about Yankee 87. Them boy didn't have no sense. Them act first and think after. Even if for the youth them in the Irie man with a reputation of so-called big bad gunman. Enough for them sit down and think long and hard. But what them do before them do it. Which is why they're so specific with who them kill. Right? If you try to make them kill certain man, them say, yo, we don't know the dog. Right? They say, yo, go feed and say, yo, but what happened to this and what happened to that? But if they say, yo, go kill a little man there on the lane, then go fast. But they're very specific with who them kill. People need upon a civil. And nobody make them feel safe. Because well, in New York and somebody tell me say New York have very strict restriction. Gunman the business more restriction. That restriction apply to you, because you follow law. New York 87 follow law. Philly 87 follow law. Uncle Sam have some place. Uncle Sam have some community where you can't find nothing in an Irie man. Like acidic so. Right now, you can't pay me for live certain place now, Uncle Sam. Or if you give me a lifetime visa and say you can live us for free, post in your house. Which community? Thanks but no thanks. And I say, Philly 87 too wild. Way too wild. Like, through the country so big, that's basically, by the time you start look on things as a nation, then you don't look so bad. That's Uncle Sam say. But when you look down at the community level, so make you keep an eye on it and see how this turn out. It will get ugly. Especially when time the killings are less graphic and it's public. Especially when time, the people them who are dead back clearly ruled people willing to kill too. it can't end well. Anyways, me say, right. Sunday, right. It's going to get really interesting. You don't want to miss it. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.